Here is Zhenghao Li. My project is artist recognition. First, about my problem, it's interesting. Just imagine how we humans recognize artists from their works. As for us, amateur, after we saw a big amount of paintings and know the author's style, when we see a painting, we have some guesses. We can speculate who it may belong to, because we are familiar with those artists' style. Moreover, professional art historians with a long training, they can recognize more accurate than us. So, if computer can help us, it will turn amateur to experts. Paintings are spatial-dependent signals, so we have a hypothesis that every artist has their own unique style of art and that we can use a CNN to determine the best possible future representation of paintings. However, there is still a problem. Paintings of different artists have various styles, but the paintings of the same artist through different periods may also have different styles. Next, look at my training data. I obtained a large dataset of art compiled by Cargo that is based on the WikiArt dataset. This dataset contains roughly 100,000 paintings by 2,300 artists spanning a variety of time periods and styles. Every image is labeled with its artist, a date, style, and title in a .csv file, and it looks like this figure. Last, the method. I mentioned there is one previous work about this problem, which is very similar as mine, but it's based on Python and PyTorch, and it trained a 18-layer baseline CNN. For me, I try to use .NET Euro 3 to try to train CNN to determine the best possible future representation of paintings. Besides, I also want to do some pre-processing. I mean, divide each artist into different periods, which means handling them as different artists and combine them at the end.